Hey everybody, this is JJ at realitysurvival.com, and today what we've got for you is going to be showing you how to determine cardinal direction with your watch. This method works pretty well around the world, but today we are going to focus on how you do it in the northern hemisphere, which will allow you to find the general direction of south, and then from there you can determine the rest of your directions just by quadrant it out, into different quadrants, and go from there. So let's get started.
Okay, the other method for determining cardinal direction without a compass is using the watch method or the clock method. And here what we have to do is we take our hour hand and we point it towards the sun. So right now the sun is back to my back, or to my left there, and I've got the hour hand pointed towards it. Then I split the difference between where the hour hand is pointing and to the 12 o'clock position, and then that will be pointing towards south. So at roughly, the say 10 o'clock position to 10:30 position is south. So if I look straight up that way, that is a southerly direction. As you can see, the shadows coming off these people coming directly from the east over here. So this is south, and if we turn over here, we can see my shadow is going off to the west, and then back this way would be north. So one more time. Basically, you point your hour hand of your clock towards the sun, split the distance to the 12 o'clock position, and that will point straight out towards the south. So then you just figure out which direction you need to go from there, and you've got your cardinal direction. Okay, hopefully this will be a little bit better demonstration here for you. If you take the hour hand and point it towards the sun, and then take the 12 o'clock position, you find the 12 o'clock position, and then split the difference between the two pretty much in half, just like this blade of grass I'm holding in my hand here. Then that blade will be pointing towards the south, and it's pretty darn close, as we can see. If I look up here in that general direction, I'm looking out this way, and directly to my left is east, and to my right is west, and you can see that by my shadow being cast here in the more early morning. So that is your basic watch method. You don't really need to put these pieces of grass on there. I'm really just doing that kind of for your benefit, to see kind of how it plays out. Start with the arrow hand, split the difference from where the hour hand is to the 12 o'clock position, and that way will be south. Now that will work, what I just showed you will work anywhere in the northern hemisphere. If you're in the southern hemisphere, what you have to do is point the noon position on your watch towards the sun, and then split the difference between that and the hour, and you will, and that where that split is, you will be pointing towards north. So it's exactly opposite for the southern hemisphere as well.